Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you how do we create an aggressive shakes effects on your video by Capcut application on your iOS or iPhone. So the device that I use now is iPhone XR, and I already opened the Capcut application as well as I already prepared the clip for you. Let's take a look on the video first. So this is the video before we applying the effects. To apply the effect, it's quite simple. You just need to bring this straight line into the beginning of the clip by drag the clip into the right side. Whenever you're done doing that, you just need to go jump into the effects. In this effect, you just need to go into the video effects. And now you just need to go into this part and just go type shake. And now you just need to go click search. And there will be pop up here this shake effects that you can use. So you just need to choose which shake that you want to have. So if you would like to have the aggressive one, I think this one could be the most aggressive shake effects that we can find. And now you just need to click it to access it into the video. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click cancel and go click this checklist button. If you think or if you feel that this shake effect is not that aggressive, you can just adjusting the speed by go click the effects and go click adjust. And here you can just adjusting the speed. If you want to make it more aggressive, you just need to drag this part into the right side. My bad. There you go. And if you want to adjusting the range, so you just need to go click in the range button and drag into the right side if you want to make it wider, and the left side if you want to make it like less wide. And whenever you're done, here we go, you already have an aggressive shake effects for your video. So hopefully this tutorial is really helpful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment for another video tutorial.